with Shabad's trade in ONEM.
Oh, I'm in this for long term. This is like a, oh no, not ONEM. Never mind, different one. You go.
ONEM.
Yeah, that's what he is. I'm in something
Yeah.
else.
All right.
ONS. I don't fucking know. I got it up. I got it up. Sorry.
What do you want to go over this one because you can see it?
Oh yeah. Okay. Was watching. Yeah, I love this. So he saw this previous resistance, turned to new support. Started like we were saying, when you see something break support and then comes back to reclaim that level, that's when he's looking to buy it. So this is a great buy, great entry. Took half off into strength today, and he's swinging the rest. So now he's got house money. Great trade.
You want to pull up his next chart? It's like a 15.
Okay, I got it.
Breaks it down.
Yeah, no, I mean, he bought the retest. He got saw its strength off the open, gave it to today's lows, sold some into strength, house money, love it.
Great trade.
Who we got? Adam Chatty.
Yep.
Nice, I like this. So Pterodine coming after this descending resistance area, strong move up. He's buying that strong move up, giving it to this low, banking on this resistance level breaking, and now he's sitting pretty. He's got some good stock. Love it.
And it's trading. It's like another 2.5% higher day. It's at like 69, so it's still in its after.
Hell yeah, even better.
Now, Chad, if you can hold some for that retest 82, that would be a man's trade. What we call.
For the retest of 82.
Yeah.
Yeah, to here. All right. Yeah. Oh man, this work. We'll see this work later. My good trade, bad trade. I fucking. I entered so well and exited shitty. So he bought this breakout level, kind of 32 area. He's been selling it to strength. He didn't get shaken out. I got shaken out this day. So nice move. It's so funny. I was buying down here and I got shaken out here, and I was like pissed at it. And he was buying that area and selling higher. Good job. I mean, this work is fucking a beast right now. So
yeah, it's even up another $2 today.
Yeah, no, it feels great to not have any.
Now we can go over one of his bad trades. This Snap.
Snap. All right. So I think. So entry on the way down.
If you want, I spoke with him a little bit on this one.
Yeah. It's up on the
So again, we've been reiterating the lessons of buying up off of support, and Nicholas has been one who's been trying to put on these trades and learning the bumps and bruises, figuring this out. And the first mistake he made with this was he didn't buy up off support. He bought down into support, and that's what we never want to do. We never want to try to catch support. So when he was wanting to prepare for that $18 breakout, he bought on the way down and then randomly got stopped out. And that was where we spoke about where he actually got stopped out, that red circle. The following 2 days after was really when you look to start to buy up. And that was one of the main lessons that he learned was, when we're buying up off support, we're not buying when it starts to break down, because it's a habit that we don't want to replace. So he definitely learned a little lesson from that one. And then, Shake, if you want to pull up Tom Ramsey, that DraftKings
nice.
Monster trade.
This is one of the stocks I'm so mad at myself for not buying in the long-term account right when they IPO'd. But I got it up if you want to.
Yeah. So he bought this one way before it was on really any of our radar. He bought it up to like that 17 area.
Yeah.
He kicked some into 30. It's set up again, and then this is something I think he did amazingly, and I think is a very difficult thing for most traders is, you make money in name, and then you successfully get back in for that next leg.
Yep.
And I think this is something he did, phenomenally, was that he rebought even higher than where he sold, and now he's just trailing it, versus the low a day. And I know there's a few other guys in this, and it's one where it's like a low a day stop, because now it's getting a little bit parabolic where, once these things turn after a couple days up, they turn quick. So I know his stop he's probably actually out. He had like a 39.99 stop in, so he's out of that again. That was a great trade. Let's see, next you want to pull up Moffitt's trade?
Oh, I got it.
AA.
It's up.
So this was actually one of his best trades so far with us, he mentioned. You can see here, it was a sport buy versus low a day, very tight risk. He got, he kicked into that gap up. Great risk reward. He's got it, this is all around really good trade. Break down on that.
Did he buy this for the body cam thing, or he just got ahead of that news?
I think that was just coincidence.
Coincidence. I don't know.
It's always
the SEC has entered the chat. I don't know.
I don't think he was not uncertain.
Okay.
Next we got Natalie. you want to pull up her GFL
yeah.
trade.
Oh my god, I didn't know GFL did this. Oh my god.
God, I don't know who recommended us doing member trade reviews, but I think it was a great addition because you guys have got some great trades.
Yeah. And then, it's good to know what people are doing, and that some people are catching these good trades. I put this on the shakedown. I was like, man, after this day, that was the weekend. I was like, no, this thing looks so good against 17. So boom, she bought it 18, stopped 17. She's fucking kicking into 21. That's great.
And now
3-1 first kick,
Yeah. And today reverse. So it's like now, again, you can't see on this chart because
I can get it up. I got you, bro. And we got that little reversal in, but she's kicking into 21.
So she's sitting pretty.
Everyone wants to hold their winners until they pull back to you.
Yeah. Then one of her bad trades is this PGNY.
Oh, I'm still in it.
And this
has been giving me a fucking heart attack. This PGNY.
This is a similar example with similar to Nicholas, where again we've been trying to focus on these support buybacks, and for her mistake when she wrote about it, again she kind of bought on the way down, and again she got stopped out on the way down. So those are those things where when we're looking for support buys, it's much easier to let them get near support and give it a day or two and buy up than trying to be perfect and buy it first at support. It's just and this is things that members are starting to realize when they put these trades on.